we'll be constructing a triangle in a given circle. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a baseline using our T-square and pencil or a ruler and pencil. Then we're going to measure 80 millimeters on this line using our pencil and our ruler. We're going to mark the center, which is 4 centimeters. We're going to label the center O. We're going to put our compass, open our compass to 4 centimeters, and we're going to draw a circle because we're using a circle of 4 centimeters in today's video. So we use our compass and pencil to draw the circle of radius 4 centimeters. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use our pencil to label where the first point will be. This point would be A. And what we're going to do, we're going to put our compass at A with the same radius that we used to draw the circle. We're going to mark an arc. From this intersection of the circle and arc, we're going to mark another arc. Where the last arc intersects the circle, we're going to mark another arc. Then from A, we're going to mark another arc. Where this arc intersects the circle, we're going to mark another arc. And all of these arcs was drawn with the radius of 4 centimeters. We're going to label this point 2 and 3. Then we're going to join 2 to 3 using our ruler and pencil. Then we're going to join 1 to 2. Then we're going to join 1 to 3 using the pencil and ruler. So this is our triangle in the given circle. What we're going to do, we're going to use a T-square and a pencil to draw some guidelines which are 4 millimeters apart. You could use your pencil and ruler to draw these guidelines. So we're going to label the drawing now. So to construct a triangle in a given circle. So good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a triangle in a circle. In the next video, we'll be looking at centroids. So we'll be given a triangle and we'll be applying the centroid principles to the triangle. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel. We thank you for joining us and please take care until we meet again in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.